Oh guys, good morning. It's Tuesday today. Ayan. Day off natin kahapon kaya naglaba tayo. It's 8:50 now guys. So, pasok na naman tayo. Parang sarap matulog kasi medyo malamig-lamig. Okay guys. Magpiprito tayo ng yan, bangus belly. Bonus. While I'm having coffee, then may soy sauce tayo na may kalamansi, sausawan natin. Tsaka yung marble potato muna tayo. So, pinapainit ko lang yung kawali, guys. And make nice there. Well, nagluluto ako. So, I'm frying fish na. O, di pa pumuputok-putok pa yan, guys. Diba? Kaya tinakpan ko dahil baka mamaya lahat na lang yan, puro mantika. Habang nagkakape tayo, guys. Napainit ko na, guys, yung ating creamy marble potato. Kaya na lang. Isang bangus lang naman ang pirito ko, guys. Eh. Diba? Tama na yan sa atin. Buong gabi. Tapos magbaon na tayo ng cheese it. Ito. I-picture na tayo ng cheese it. So, ilagay lang natin ito, guys. Nagpiprito tayo. Dito kaya natin balik pa rin. Guys, naprito na yung ating bangus. So, yung bangus natin, tawag dito, bangus durog. O, diba? Nadurog, guys. Oh my God. Okay, guys. We go to work na. Ready na yung uniform natin. And baon natin, guys. So, magsishoes na lang tayo. So, binuksan ko yung, guys, kasi para sisingaw yung hangin kasi nagprito ako ng isda. Umuwi isda, magkulog ba? Diba? Then, Mickey is right there. They're eating. Someone there. Yeah. Kita ko. So let's go, guys. So nice weather. Babe, I'm going now.
Okay, babe. Keep your head on a swivel. Make sure you pay attention to your surroundings, okay?
I will. I will.
Okay. Love you.
I love you more, babe.
Get to work. Okay, bye.
Eat well, babe.
Thank you, baby.
So nice, Christmas. So nice there. Nice weather too. Okay guys, this is our food today. Rice, yan na. Then, marble potato. Then yung sasawa natin. So, kain tayo guys. Nasa work na pala ako guys. It's so nice. I love it. It's like you are walking on the aisle. Love it. Ang bongga ng Prisma. Ganda. Shit.